Well, this right here is the heavily updated 2019 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. It was just unveiled here in Detroit on the eve of the North American International Auto Show, and helping out with this big unveiling was some heavy-duty star power in the form of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Just like the G, he was born in Graz, Austria, and look at how far that heritage has taken him. He was governor of, I want to say Vermont? Yeah, I think it was Vermont.
This SUV can do anything and everything, and this is why I love this car.
Anyway, tracing its lineage back 4 decades, this leather-lined off-roader has never strayed far from its roots, and this latest iteration sticks to the same winning formula, mostly. Still built on a rugged ladder frame, the G-Class's bones and body have nonetheless been strategically reinforced, but thanks to high and ultra-high strength steel, it's lost about 375 pounds, also helping cut unwanted fat. The fenders, hood, and doors are made of aluminum. But perhaps the biggest change with this hardcore off-roader is the addition of independent front suspension, which should dramatically improve its overall comfort. Engineers also added electromechanical rack and pinion steering. But you purists can breathe easy because the rear is still supported by a live axle, one that is rigidly constrained by 4 trailing arms as well as a panhard rod. Now, as before, you've got 3 differentials, all of which can be fully locked for severe off-roading. And speaking of hitting the trail, this thing is an absolute beast, as it always has been. It can tackle 100% grades and drive through nearly 28 inches of water. Overall, the G-Class is about 2.1 inches longer than today's model and 4.8 inches wider. Now, this translates into dramatically more interior space, especially in the back seat, where legroom has been increased by nearly 6 inches. Inside, the G-Class sports a properly luxurious cabin, though the design is still familiar with chunky differential switches and a dashboard-mounted grab handle. Customers can opt for 2 12.3-inch widescreen displays, just like in an S-Class. Power is provided by a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, one that's rated at 416 horsepower and 450 foot-pounds of torque. And all that twist, of course, is routed to the pavement through a new 9-speed automatic transmission. The Mercedes-Benz G family launched in 1979, and since then, some 300,000 examples have been delivered to customers around the world. And this one right here is slated to go on sale late this year. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the AutoGuide.com YouTube channel to get all of our latest features and vehicle reviews.